Hi, in this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how to use blocks in AutoCAD. Now, if you can see my mouse, this is the section where you'll be activating, inserting, and creating a block. Now, what is a block? A block in AutoCAD is a few segments or a few pieces of an object that make up one single object or a system. All right. So in this case, you would want to call this a door. As you can see now, for now, this is not yet a block. I've got my arc here that represents my closing. I've got the frame. I even drew a little angle here. I hope it looks convincing. Let me just go ahead and delete that line. It's not really necessary in this case. Click on line, close that frame there. Now my space opening here is 900 millimeters. All right. So as you can see, if I if I select all of the items here, you can see it's individual items. It's not necessarily a block, as I want to say. All right. Let's see now. I can go to create block. Click on create block. Then name this block. I'm gonna name it door. Door one. Door one looks fine. Then it's gonna say base object. I'm gonna specify base object after selecting points. This one is select objects. Let me click on that, and I'm gonna select all the objects that make up the block. All right. So you could have just went ahead and used the right hand lasso and you just select everything that was part of this. But I wanted to select them one by one. Right? As you can see, I've selected all the objects that make up my block. Now I click on enter and it will tell you 9 objects have been uh, selected. You can even see that it's got a preview of how the door looks like there, right? The second thing we're gonna do is select a base point. Select base point, we're gonna pick base point on the screen. Base point is when you bring in the block where would you want to hold it. This is a good point. Click on that just once, then you can see it will give us our coordinates. All right. I think that's it. Click on, you can give a description that this is door 900 millimeter door. uh, it's not really compulsory to put in a description there. Then click on OK. All right. Now you can see when I hover on top of this door, it has it becomes one thing. It even gives us the name here, that is this is door one. Let's see if I need to bring in a block here. This is my wall, my end of the wall. I want to join in a door here. I just quickly come here, I click on insert, then you will see all the blocks that you have created would be here. So now I'm just gonna click on door one. Do you see my cursor is holding at my base point? I just click on it here, then I'm gonna rotate it clockwise. Click OK. About this point is fine, and my auto mode is on, so I can just easily do this. Voila, you see, now I've got another block that has been here. All right. So yeah, it's quite difficult to make all these blocks yourselves, especially making furniture and all these other things. So there's ways you can just download these blocks off the internet and just put them onto your project. I'm gonna go to Google here, to my browser, type in CAD blocks, then click on this first one there, CAD-blocks.net, and you've got a collection of different types of blocks in here. Right, you can see you've got bathroom blocks, got furniture. Right, you can download all of these blocks. The one thing I like about these blocks is you can even have elevation of them. As you can see, this is a plan block, this is elevation block. Plan blocks looks like that. Let's just download this one, click on that and click download. It's quite easy, no subscription, no emails required. It's downloaded. I've already even extracted it. Just double click to open it, and it's gonna open it in read only. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, then you see these are our blocks. Select whichever one you want. We've got a nice 900 block here. Click on that. Control C, or you can just click on the copy. I don't think the copy will work. Control C will work. Go to draw tool. Control V. See, click on that. Let me delete this block. This part was not part of the block, and move what I just brought here and move it. Switch off auto mode. Just put it right there. You see? So with this, you can have different types of blocks. You've got different all sorts of doors in here. The same can be done with different types of. Let me go back in here. You can have doors. You can have furniture. Let's go back. Download furniture, and you can see there's beds. Click on those beds, and these are in plan view. So many types of beds. Click on those. Download each and every uh, one of these blocks, because you will later use them in your project. Alright guys, I hope this was been a good tutorial. On to the next one.